this is dot art, and what it is multiple pictures with little dots that you just put stickers on, which for my 3-year-old is a really great task. She's actually working on one right now. So there's all these little scenes and pictures that you fill in the dots with. Now, some of the dot charts are specific to the pictures. My child doesn't care. She just grabs whatever dots. But they're all different sizes. So there's some eye and hand coordination to kind of decide what size dot you need, and then you go to the chart, pick out which one you want. You could do color matching. It really depends on the age range of what the child is able to do. Right now, she's working on one that she saw was winter and knew that it needed snowflakes, but right now the dots aren't exactly going on the dots itself, and that's okay. The other nice thing is they're really easy to remove. So once they've added dots all over a particular sheet, they can just as easily take it off. So there are a bunch of different scenes, and you can flip the card over, and these are nice, hard, thick quality, so these aren't gonna wear out. All the different scenes, but it's a great little tactile, and children just love stickers in general, and you'll kind of age with them where they're able to identify the colors and the size of the dots, or just actively working on getting the stickers off the sheet onto the chart itself and decorating. But fun little activity.